guys, so today we are going to be talking about how Solana whales are buying this meme coin like crazy. Literally, these Solana whales are going crazy on this coin. They've made millions from this, and this is going to be another big coin like Book of Meme. That was a huge coin. It's going to be like Dog with Hat. That was a huge coin. Like all these meme coins just gaining so much attention, garnering so much money and attention from the Solana community. And this is another one that is following in the exact same path. So, this is what we're going to talk about today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, but let's get straight to it. So, first thing is first, look at this. Our price is at 17 cents, so 0.176701. So, this is a fairly decent coin. It's called Billy, and I know it's a funny meme. It's called Billy. So yes, it's down 8.4% in the last 24 hours, which is actually pretty good because it's at a discounted price. We're going to be going over the technical analysis here as well, showing just how much of a discounted price it is with these automated trading indicators with Chart Prime. Link in the description if you want to check out those Chart Prime automated trading indicators, some of the best trading indicators in the game. All right. So we're going to talk about that. But first, I kind of want to give you a little bit of information on Billy, as we like to call it, because that's the name of the crypto. But we're going to talk about this Billy crypto and what makes it kind of unique and special. So that's what we're going to talk about today. And obviously, it is a meme coin, but we're going to be talking about that. So $173 million in market cap, right? The 24-hour trading volume is $23.8 million. Now, mind you, if you check out Baby Doge, you can see Baby Doge has a significantly smaller trading volume than this Billy coin. This Billy coin has 23.8 million in trading volume. Baby Doge has like 4 million in trading volume. And it's kind of crazy because when you think about it, like this market cap's only on 173 million. Baby Doge is at like 200 something million with 500 million inside a fully diluted value. So the fact that this is like literally about 10 times, well, not 10, let's say more so like 5 or 6 times the trading volume as Baby Doge, that's very significant. And that speaks a lot to the Solana ecosystem. That's why I say Baby Doge really needs to transfer to the Solana ecosystem, because when it does, it's going to benefit from all of the money that flows throughout Solana. So this project is doing fairly well. As you can see in the last 30 days, 342% gains in the last 30 days. So that's pretty big. And yeah, a lot of money has been flowing through this project. It's just been going absolutely crazy, absolutely insane. And now it's down, which gives everyone the opportunity to buy. You can even see down here, people are buying as we're speaking. So we're going to talk about some more stuff with this as it pertains to trading, because that's mainly what I like to do is trade. So now we kind of already went over the basis of that. I kind of want to go over what the coin stands for. Well, pretty much it stands for this dog right here, this little puppy, Billy. This is Billy right here. So Billy likes to make money. Billy likes to pump. Billy likes to have community. So that's pretty much what it is about. It's about Billy. And it's a CTO, which is a community takeover. That's what CTO stands for. A community takeover is pretty much when an owner of a crypto project abandons the crypto project and then the community takes it over. So the owner pretty much initially wants to rug pull people and succeeds in rug pulling people, but now the owner has no more coins, and now the community owns all the coins, and the community's like, nah, screw that, we're gonna bring this coin back up. And now that that owner doesn't own all the coins to rug pull us, we're gonna have a community takeover. So now it's our coin. That's pretty much what a community takeover is. And as you can see, a community claimed ownership for this token on June 20th, 2024. The ownership of the previous CTO deleted Telegram and X account, so the core foundation of people who care about the project have fixed it. So CTO of Billy, send Billy to billions. So that's pretty much what they're trying to do here. They're trying to, get this to billions of dollars in market cap. So I definitely believe Billy is going to be one of those coins that gets to the billions in market cap. All right. Now, all you're gonna see if you go over to their Twitter is these memes. They literally just post these memes all day long. Nothing but Billy memes with these with this same puppy on all of these memes. So you're pretty much gonna see it on every single post. So Twitter is not really much to see. If you want to buy this crypto, it is on MEXC Global. Check out the link in the description for MEXC Global, because if you sign up, you're helping support the channel, because I get a little bit of your trading commission fees. I'll be completely honest with that. But look, you're helping the channel. Sign up through my link. Definitely do that. If you want to go ahead and check out Chart Prime, best automated trading indicators, link down below in the description. But I'm about to go over some stuff, and you're going to see how to use these indicators in a few seconds here. So now we're going to be looking at the 15-minute chart, and then we're going to switch to the 1 hour chart, right? And we're just going to look at the small charts, because we can't really look at the ones like too far in the future, because there's not enough info when we go up to like the 4 hour and the daily chart. There's just not enough info on the charts as it pertains to these automated trading indicators, because you got kind of have to have some volume and some history there for the indicators. So that's the one thing you want to remember when you're doing the Chart Prime thing. But anyways, we're going to be looking at the 15-minute chart first. Now, first thing I want to show you guys is this wedge pattern. We're actually coming to the bottom of this wedge pattern, which is very important, because we are about to drop a little bit lower here in Billy. You're going to see it going down to 16 cents. We're at 17.5 right now, 0.175. But yeah, we're going down to about 16 cents here in Billy. And you can actually see this little arrow, this little dotted line down here. It's pretty much showing where our next support is going to bring us. So it's showing like, hey, look, we're going down to 16 cents very soon. But 16 cents is a short-term discounted price, meaning when we drop down to 16 cents, it is going to be short-term and short-lived. You're going to see it going back up after it hits 16 cents, and it's probably going to stop at this little yellow line here. So you're going to see us dropping down to 16 cents right here, and then you're going to see us coming back up here to about 0.176. And see, this is where trading comes into place, because you can make a lot of money trading. Let's say you took I don't want to say $10,000. Let's just say you took $1,000, right? And actually, let's say 2,500. Let's say you got a little bit more money. Let's say you took $2,500, right? And you bought Billy right now. You bought your friend Billy right here, right at 0.17495 or 915, whatever it is. And then that's going to get you 14,292 Billy. You can go ahead and multiply that then by 0.163, because that's where that support is that we have down here. And that's going to make you lose some money. You're going to go from 2,500 down to 2,329. But let's say you're using these automated trading indicators with Chart Prime, and you're like, hey, I already know it's going down to this support. So how about I save my 2,500 and then I buy when it hits that support that we're looking at right now. That's 0.163, right? That's going to give you 15,337 coins. So if you went ahead and then multiplied that by where we would go back up at 0.175, well, now you're getting profit. You're going from 2,500 to $2,684 all in one day. So essentially, you're making $184 in one day. And might not seem like a lot to some people, but if you think about it, $184 every single day for a whole month, you're getting $5,500 a month off of the trading, and then that money starts to double, because you still have your 2,500 that you started with, your initial money, which if you're smart, you would take out your initial profit, or no, your initial investment, and then you would just trade with your profit, and then you would keep stacking it up like that. All right, that's just kind of some trading 101. I'm gonna do videos where it's like nothing but trading, but it's kind of hard to do that. I feel like it would be better in a live stream like that. But when I did the live streams like that, no one really cared about it. So I'll just do those in videos. But anyways, we are seeing some good stuff with Billy here. All right. Billy is the GOAT. We can call him Billy GOAT. All right. That's just how we're going to say it. And you can see that we have these green momentum wave bands too. So we're going to get a lot of momentum once we pull back down. So it's a pretty good trade. It's almost a textbook trade, actually. Very easy trade to make right there. As we go down, hit the support, go right it back up to there. It's going to go back down, sell it right here, let it go back down, because as you see, if we switched over here to the 1 hour chart, like I said before, what we're going to do, we are at our equilibrium price. And remember, these are the Chart Prime automated trading indicators. Link in the description if you want to go ahead and sign up for that. Try it risk-free for 7 days. Use the discount code CP30 for 30% off. But back onto the main topic. If you actually go ahead and look at this, we're at the equilibrium price, which is pretty much the medium price for Billy. So Billy is priced at medium right now. It's not overpriced. It's not underpriced. It's right where it needs to be. but it's not right where you want to be if you're doing your little short-term trades. And if you look down here at the prime score, it's like a 4 and a 6, and then it said market dumps, which pretty means right now people are selling Billy, which means this is a good opportunity to wait for it to go down a little bit lower and buy it because people are selling Billy at the current moment. Because we hit our premium price. When we hit these premium price points on Chart Prime, that's typically once you start seeing drops. You're going to start seeing those drops in the market once you see, people doing those sells. So you're going to see it getting all the way up to that premium price, and then people are going to start selling, which is going to make it drop. So people seeing a premium price, let's sell. Now we're at the equilibrium price. So now it's selling off a little bit less, but it's still going down. All right. So what we're really waiting for is for Billy to either drop down to this where the money flow is. You might see some money flowing in around 14 cents, or it might go all the way down to the discount price where you can see at that support of about 11 cents. So we'll either stop at 14 cents or we'll go all the way down to 11 cents. But you're about to see 16 cents coming very, very soon in the short term. And then in the medium term, we can see 14. And then from there, we can possibly see 11. So that's what we're looking at there for Billy. Now, we can't really look at a bunch of the other charts because, as you know, like it's hard because there's not enough info. It's too new. It's too new to really know any of that. But anyways, we broke out of this wedge pattern in a bullish pattern there, but we hit that premium price almost very soon. So the long term, we're looking if crypto prices keep dropping, we see 9 cents, but I don't think that's going to happen right now because crypto is doing extremely well. Like everything is up, everything's doing well, especially Solana. Solana is the whole ecosystem of Solana is just killing it in the market right now. All right. So now that we got the technical analysis out the way and what's about to happen with Billy, and we know like what's going to happen with the pullbacks and then the pumps, we already know what's going to happen there. Like I said, if you want to check out the automated trading indicators, check out the link in the description for Chart Prime. I'm telling you right now, if you're not using Chart Prime's automated trading indicators, you're not trading right. You're not trading correctly. Check it out. Link in the description. Very cheap. Try it risk-free 7 days. Use the discount code CP30 for 30% off. All that good stuff. 7-day money back guaranteed. You can go ahead and try that out for yourself. But anyways, like I'm saying here, like you just got a bunch of buy signals and sell signals. It lets you know if it's a strong buy or a strong sell. They highly recommend it at the strong sell for you to sell. And when it's a strong buy, they highly recommend for you to buy because you see, those buys are actually pretty good. But like it's showing here now is a good selling area. And then once it goes down to that discount price, you buy it, it goes back up there to about 17 cents. You sell it again. Very easy trading. But let's talk about how the whales are buying up this coin. For the people who want to do more of a long-term strategy, the whales are doing a lot of numbers on this coin. They're buying it, they're selling it, they're doing a lot. They're doing a lot of trades, okay? First, look at the top traders. The top trader here bought 121K worth of Billy. They sold it at 687K for a total profit of 566K. That is a lot of money. Look at this whales transactions. They made a lot. They realized some of their gains, like a lot of their gains, like they had millions in here, but they sold a lot of it. But they still got a bunch of money inside of Billy because they still believe in the CTO, this community takeover. They still believe in it. And if you actually look over here at our RSI, Stotch RSI is the best RSI, but you see the RSI down here is at the bottom. It's about to cross and go back upwards to the top. Typically, once it crosses at the bottom like that, you always see a rise in the price. It always happens like that with Stotch RSI. So we could have another rise in the price coming very soon. But we could still see a little bit of a drop, like I said before in the technical analysis. It kind of shows that we're going to have a little bit of a pullback, and that should present a good buying opportunity for people. But like I was saying earlier with the whales, like this whale bought 1 million, sold it at 1.5 million, 478K inside of profits. This whale bought 2.4 million, sold it at 2.9 million, 423K in profits. You see what these whales are doing. These whales are playing with big money. 32K turned to 352K for 320K profits. $1,399, $1,300 turned into 294K, 293K in profits. Look at these whales. These whales are doing crazy numbers. They're realizing their gains. They're doing it smart. I know a lot of people like to buy, hold, and never sell, but that's not how the whales are playing it. The whales, they're playing a completely different game. They're not doing what everyone else is doing. All right. But let's just go ahead and look at some of these whales. They're buying crazy amounts of Billy. This whale right here bought a stupid amount at 7 cents. They were able to get 6,800 at 7 cents. Remember, it's at 17 cents now. Then they got 20K at 8 cents. They got 28K at 9 cents. And then they got 7K at 14 cents. So this whale, big money. This whale is making a lot of money. We're seeing a lot of these whales in here time and time again, just buying a lot of this coin. And some bought a while ago when it was extremely cheap, but they're still holding it. And then some they're still actively buying as we're speaking. They're still actively buying more and more and more of this coin. So lots of money is pretty much flowing inside of this project. So this is why I'm saying, like, hey, there's a good opportunity here. Now, look, if we just go over here and open up the Explorer here, the Sol Scan Explorer, and look at all of the holders here, then you can see we have a massive amount of holders. There's 23,857 holders here, and that's a lot. That's a lot. A lot of people are into this coin. A lot of people are really buying it and holding it. I'm just going to click on a random wallet here. Look, hey, we're doing this all on the spot. Random wallet. We can look at the balances. This wallet right here, they're holding mainly Billy. They don't have any other coins. They have like dollars in the other coins, but $439,000 inside of Billy. So this shows you, like, these whales are they're really big on this Billy coin. Like they got a lot of money inside of crypto, and hey, they just decided they're gonna buy Billy. They're gonna hold Billy. Look, 52,000 coins here purchased of Billy, and look, they're trading. They're not just buying it and holding it. A lot of them are trading it, and they're making good money on their trades. Some of them are losing on their trades, but a lot of them are making money on their trades. That's why, like I say, I don't buy hold. I don't buy and hold. I just like to trade. But hey, $378,000 inside of Billy. That's what this whale here has. You can see this whale. All they're doing is buying. They're not selling. They're just buying. That's literally all they're doing. They're just buying Billy, 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 Billy. 5,400 Billy every single hour of every single day. That's what this whale right here is doing. They've been buying and buying and buying and buying and buying and buying and buying. They've been buying a lot of Billy. Let's just say that. Look, this is 100 transactions all right here of them buying Billy, and they haven't sold. They're just buying it. Like, these whales are doubling down on this project. $379,000. This is all this whale is buying. So the fact that this whale has such high conviction for this project with so much money kind of shows you, like, where you should probably be focused. Like, I focus where the whales are focused. If the whales are focused on this project, I am now focused on this project. This whale has $303,000, $287,000 of which is inside of Billy. Then they have something called Silky, Manifest, and a little bit of USD, but they don't have much in other coins. They're just mainly focused on Billy. So yeah, like I said, this project is looking like it's going to be another one of those, like, Book of Meme type project. There's a lot of big projects out there. Remember, Book of Meme was one that went completely insane, 621 million inside a market cap. Not only Book of Meme, we have a lot of these different projects that did huge numbers. We have Book of Meme, and which ones else? What other ones do we have? We have so many different ones. There's Book of Meme. There's Dog with Hat. There's just so many different projects here that have made so much money. Dog with Hat is one of the bigger ones that has came out, $2.68 billion inside of market cap. Dog with Hat, on the other hand, is not a CTO, community takeover. But yeah, there's a lot of projects out there that are doing really well on the Solana ecosystem. A lot of meme coins. So yeah, definitely check this out. Like I said, whales, they're making big money on this. It's very easy to trade, especially with the Chart Prime automated trading indicators. You can easily do that, and you can also get this coin on MEXC Global. Link in the description for that as well if you want to trade it on a centralized exchange to make it a little bit easier for you. But yeah, you can check that out as well, and link in the description. And like I said, if you want these automated trading indicators, 7 days money back guaranteed, use the discount code CP30 for 30% off. Very easy to use. Try it risk-free 7 days. What can you lose, right? Just go ahead and try it out. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely hit that like button and subscribe. And as always, I'll be back with another video.